Good morning, traders. It is Tuesday, April 30th. Let's make sure everything's on. Good. This is 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 45 minutes later than I planned to stream, but that's okay. We've already got a couple news drops. The Euro CPI dropped about 4 hours ago. Canadian GDP, as well as US dollar employment cost index, dropped about 30 minutes ago. And we have the US dollar S&P composite, which I have no idea what that is dropping right now. And we have some more news dropping at 6:45-7. And then today, that will be technically the start of tomorrow, or the end of the trading day. And then some more big news dropping Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, heavy news week. Let's take a gander at some of these guys. I've already kind of gone through the charts this morning. Didn't really find anything worth trading in most pairs. At least not for my strategy. Quickly scanning through, AUDNZD is the one position we are in right now. So we have a sell position from here. This technically did not get out. This technically did not hit profit. So we are still in the position here. I think CADCHF is probably the only position I was thinking of taking today. So the news kind of dumped on the CAD, the Canadian dollar. So I was looking at possibly getting into a buy if price were to come down to this level again at 6645. Kind of wish I knew that price had come down here on Monday, because that would have been a pretty good entry right there. But that would have been during a weird aftermarket time anyways. But yeah, scanning across, I'm not really finding anything too exciting. This was Euro AUD, so this was the position we took Sunday. So with the week open, the open of the week, price had come up, then it come back down. We took the position here at this support. Price had continued to drop down. We took a second position. We got out on profit on the second position. When it came back up, we got out break even on the first position, and prices continued higher. EURGBP, these positions were all exited from this April 17th and April 19th time frame. We were looking to get into a position. We actually had a buy limit order, our limit buy right around 8525, so somewhere right around here. Expecting price to come up, or expecting price to kind of come down to these lows and then swing back up. Turns out it swung up before then, so we kind of missed this sort of swing. Or maybe we didn't, maybe price could be projecting it this high and it can come back down to this level, in which case we will just pay attention and try to capitalize on that when we see it. Nothing there. EURNZD, that could be a possible opportunity. Shorting into the high. Yeah. I could be pretty game to short into the high here. What do we typically go for on this guy? 340, 350, 400. So we'll add EURONZD onto the list. We'll get into a sell if it pops up to this previous high. That is the plan. Nothing here. GBPAUD, previous trade, otherwise nothing here. there is potential to get into a short here on GCAD if we get it to this level, but it's a bit iffy. Kind of just depends on the momentum of the pressure into this level. But we'll add them onto the list. GBPCHF. Nothing. GBPNZD, pretty similar to EURONZD. We're selling as prices coming into this high. I'm just scanning through these just because I'm not seeing anything that I'm particularly excited about. Okay. So just so it's not totally nebulous what I'm looking for, you do have a little bit of a trend here, so you do have this bullish sentiment going up, but you do have a lot of sideways market pressure here in the more recent days, since like the 14th of March. So because of that sideways pressure, if price were to make a high, I'd be more inclined to believe that it's likely to come back down, or if it rips through the high, it's more likely to come back down to retrace than say something like UJ, where like there's a lot of bullish pressure. If it goes and rips through the high, I'd be less inclined to want to short the high. I also prefer to bet on the side of swap trades, so I'm not totally sure about GBPNZD, but I know EURONZD, you're making money on the short side. So at least for my brokerage, you're not making money on the long or short side for GBPNZD, but you're losing less money on the short side. Whereas EURONZD, you are making a little bit of money on the short side every day. So that helps.
Did you talk about the price action yet?
I didn't talk about the price action.
Yeah, okay.
I'm just getting sassed. Big sassy pants. So we'll put our position here. And again, we're just anticipating quick scalps. We're not worried about trying to capture 10R or 100 pips. We're just looking at roughly 0.2%. That's how most of my positions, pretty much all of my positions, the target goal is about 0.2%. Okay, so the two sell positions are in for EURONZD and GBPNZD. They're limit orders. They're at these previous highs. Let's take a gander at how gold is doing. Looks like it's kind of shitting the bed today. It's down 30 bucks. Cool. I don't know why I look at gold. I don't really trade it. Doesn't make a lot of sense. Just too hard to manage risk on a strategy like mine. So, why we typically try to stay away from gold. Try to stay away from US 30. Try to stay away from NAS. Try to stay away from the S&P. Although the S&P would be a lot easier to manage risk on, I think. And the nice part about like the indices and gold is you're guaranteed to make swap on shorts. Alright, let's take a gander at our red list. See how our stock position is doing. He's going to open up in about 20 minutes. He seems to be rallying back up a little bit. It is what it is. Previous position. So EURGBP we're not in anymore. GBPAUD we're not in. AUDNZD we're in. He's coming back up, unfortunately. EURAUD coming up. GBPNZD and EURNZD. Just kind of realizing we'd get a lot of we'd have three positions shorting New Zealand dollar if price continues to rise and we get into the EURONZD and GBPNZD position, which does not bother me. Alright, let's go check out and update our trading journal. Just updating the record to include the break-even Euro AUD trade. And so we have the only open trade is the AUDNZD trade. Looks like both EURONZD and GBPNZD have to travel roughly the equivalent distance of our take profit to enter the trade and then travel back down and reject to that level. Pretty sure the mic picked that up. Yeah. Hopefully it did.
I wanted to give you some advice on trading.
You know, you wanted to give me some advice on trading.
No, my stomach did.
Oh, stomach.
Yeah.
What was the stomach's advice?
It was saying EURONZD is the way to go.
Which way, up or down?
Yep. It went up.
What a coincidence.
It came up, so.
I'm looking to sell it.
Well, there we go then. My stomach is never wrong. You heard it here first. Follow me for more trading advice.
Financial tips.
Financial tips. Is that what you're saying?
Fuck no.
Okay. I feel like that's just like. What is going? Did you like drool on the bed? Did you spill water on the bed?
No.
Are you drooling on my bed? What are you doing, Roly? Looks like you peed.
No.
Didn't. That would be such an awkward spot to pee on. Sorry, YouTube, you get in there.
Nasty, nasty closet.
That's another day. Another day. Oh, I don't even know where I'm just running this shit. That's so stupid. I don't know for sure if it's even warm again. You know?
No, I don't know.
That goes back.
Bye. Where are we at? 20 minutes. Okey-dokes. Whew. So close. Look at that. Even tap the bottom multiple times. I think the problem is that it has like a AUD. Oh no, the spread's not that bad. 3 or 4 pipettes sometimes. Get as high as 8 pipettes. Okay. well, you guys know the strategy. We're in the AUDNZD sell. We're looking to sell GBPNZD as we reach the high. We're looking to sell EURONZD as we reach the high. We're looking to possibly get into a buy on CADCHF. Price comes down. Not really expecting that today. Maybe a sell on GBPCAD. And we're still just monitoring our stock position here. So that's kind of it for today. I'm gonna sign off and I will pick this right back up again tomorrow. Alright. Good luck, traders.